Mara's World. Today we are opening BFFs and we are opening
a dog.
I love VIP pets. I think that's what it says. But let's get started and opening these. And guys, if you watched the other video right here, yep, you better subscribe. If you don't, you're not watching again. You better subscribe.
It's on YouTube.
Yeah, we know. And then the last time we opened this doll. So you guys better check that out. Yes, it's a good video. Okay, here we go. I want to start opening the big ones first. Okay, you go first. You go first. We need scissors. The scissors problem. It's the best problem in the whole entire.
Now, our pet is already wrapped up. There's tape.
Stupid, but I did this before the video started.
Don't rip it.
Cut that out. Cut that out.
Mommy's gonna cut the first one.
And then mine too. She better. She better. I should need to cut this side, but not the other side. Because then it's going to mess up the thing. Wait, never mind, it does. You took it out. Go, pull. Okay, when Alea opens that, we're going to show you guys the inside. You forgot to tape at the bottom.
There's hair. Oh my god.
Turn her around.
This is
Turn her around. Turn it to
the camera. So this
her feet.
Hannah.
So she has this one, guys. Hannah.
Yeah, he has so many sweeties.
Open that. We need that. That's the box.
And
You need to open that tape at
Oh
the
my god,
bottom.
now I can pull her food out.
Okay, you got it? Go up, down just a little bit. We need to take off her pants. Oh my god, you're breaking her. Go. I got it. Go. Let's just open her pants off.
Yeah.
It's more easier.
Oh my god. Who was stuck glass pants inside her? Okay, this is my dog. This is
Hannah.
Anna. He likes her hair. He likes her simple hair. And her hair is her hair is so beautiful. Well, now it's your turn. What do you like
My
about
turn.
Like, I wanted that. And this little girl, Mara. So I'm gonna hide my doll. So when the dog pops up,
You have to put her in here.
her head. Oh my god.
It's backwards.
Oh, sorry.
It's like this. There you go.
Thank you, guys.
Okay, and then her clothes are in here. You have to open. Stand her house up.
This is her Hannah.
Oh my god, her stuff.
Where's the other shoe? Oh, there it is.
Oh my god, her stuff is so cute. Her stuff is so cute. It's just little
Okay,
baby
you
cry.
want to show them what you got, or you want me to do it?
Anyhow.
Okay.
Here's her necklace.
Like this. Okay, next. You want to put that on?
Okay, you want to put that on so he can be cute.
You should rather put that on first. Yeah, that doesn't matter. Okay, show them the shoes.
These are the shoes. I can't hold them. Here's the shoes. And now let's put her shoes on because her shoes are so beautiful. No. Shoes, get on it. Thank you. We should put something warm on her. Let's put her bag. Okay, let's put her bag on her. Let's put her shirt on first. Oh, it's a jacket, okay. So I'm gonna decorate my girl. So I also decorate her stage. But what did you get? Oh my god.
So she got this thing, and
my
then
god.
she got a brush.
Oh my god, that's
And
cute.
then I think this is a collar, and then this.
Oh my god, my doll is
Okay,
just
time to
big.
reveal. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, he has a ponytail.
She got some long hair.
Oh my god, how did he get a ponytail? I wanted a ponytail.
But this is actually so cute. It says, "Hey baby, OMG." I wish they could color change. Or can they? We got stickers. But we can't put that on anything. Well, that's cool.
This is my
And then what?
Okay, this is how dolls walk. Oh, the left row. Dolls walk like this.
The pretty dolls walk like this.
Mommy, the doll is walking like It's okay that her bag is on her head.
Her name is Coco, and yes, I got a rare. The first try. Like, why did this come to me? And then, just because it was rare, it gave us this thing. It says VIP all around. And now, we got some stickers. And it shows it right here that she's rare. I'll let it move. And then it shows that she's rare. So this is the only rare thing. Only rare. Okay, now time to open. Let's put it right there. Okay. Time to open my doll, because that's more important.
Back is that.
Whoa, look at inside. It's all strawberry. Look. Okay, time to take this out.
What is her name?
Ella, or it says here.
Okay.
I don't know, like Ella, Ella. Okay, got her out.
Ella.
Okay, let's put this. Okay,
Oh my god,
Now
I
time
can't
to
wait for
use-
my FEG.
now time to reveal her.
Oh my god.
Okay, time to open.
And you see your
3,
BFF.
2, 1.
Oh my god. Whoa.
We're
I
gonna
see
reveal in 3, 2, and 1.
Oh my god.
Look!
Oh my god, her hair.
Her hair is so beautiful. Oh,
Hi,
yeah, I'll tie it.
FEF. Hi. Hi.
Okay,
Do you need to
she looks so cute.
Wait,
I need to take her arm thing off.
okay.
I'm just gonna do
You
this.
need to get warm now. I'm all toasty. Me too.
Yeah.
I'm toasty.
Other way.
Ah, my belly's not
This way.
toasty. I better put some more
Take
on
this.
thing on it.
Now we put her back.
But her bag is so messy. Me, I'm skating on the bag. And then, here you go, Mom. It fell on its own.
This is her right now.
Oh my God. Don't worry.
Oh, sorry. Okay, now I need to untie her hair like this. Since it's cray. I mean cray.
Oh my God.
Yes, I love that word.
Okay, then say that word every time.
Cray.
Then say it 10 times. I bet.
Okay, this is yours. Okay, time to get where's my hat? Oh,
That's
my
your
hat.
But I'm
Now
not
let's-
wearing my hat.
I'm gonna
so-
put on my strawberry hat.
Yeah, you look cool. I had all my supplies.
Your phone.
Look. You have a phone to call me?
Okay.
You
now,
can tell me?
Now let me see in my house. We're gonna
You have
open my drawer.
Wait, is it all strawberry?
Yeah.
Let me see inside. Can I? Wow.
Okay, now time to take it.
Take your clothes out. I'm never gonna look at you. Ah, your hat. It's a strawberry hat.
It's okay.
Oh my god, it fits me too.
Here, get your strawberry hat.
And it's a nice sky hat. But
Hey, where's my strawberry hat?
this is your strawberry hat. It's right here, next to the clothes. Your shoes are so beautiful.
Okay, now time to put on my cool outfit.
Okay,
The
you
one
fit
that's so
that.
cute.
And you have a strawberry bag. Oh. And you have a
Why
necklace.
does it have a hole in it? I was gonna put stuff in.
You have a necklace in it. You have a necklace like me. It's a blue one.
Friendship bracelets.
Yeah, friendship. Oh my god, I'm wearing so many. I'm wearing this.
Okay,
I have
time to put on my socks.
Yeah, your socks
My
are so
socks are
beautiful.
so cute.
You have strawberry shoes. Oh, they're classic. They're so cute.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, they're heels. I wish I had heels.
Yeah, because you look super duper cool.
And we are
We're
best
best
friends.
friends forever.
Yeah.
Hey,
Because
hey, Hannah.
oh
I
hey,
know, my
oh
hat.
yeah,
Hey, Hannah, you want to come to my house?
yeah.
Let's
Your
do
house-
it tomorrow, but let's do it tomorrow, because actually, one sec.
Oh.
Her pants are coming off.
Oh my god. It's not crazy. It's okay. It's okay. People laugh. It's okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so crazy. Nobody cares about me.
I do.
You care
We
about
have
me.
lots of friends.
I have Mila.
I'm new to this neighborhood. Okay, pretend you guys are like you already knew this neighborhood. I'm new from this neighborhood. I just moved here. So, see, I got my bag and my hat.
But I do have a bag. I have a cloudy bag.
Yeah, but are you new here? Say no, you're not new. Together.
Yeah, that's right. Okay.
Zoom, zoom.
Taking a picture.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a fun day. Bye.